Hi, my name is Faith Bettini, and we have Darvin all day behind the camera. We're here at Plainfield High School about to leave for Westminster Tool. We're going to spend the day with a mold designer and see what he does on a regular work day.
Hi, thanks for visiting Westminster Tool. I'm Kim. Let me introduce you to our mold design department.
Hi, welcome to the Mold Design Department at Westminster Tool. I'm Keith, the lead mold designer, and this is Celeste, and this is Seth. Come and learn the process of mold design.
When we first get a design or a job from sales, we review them. We go through our checklists. We have multiple checklists, so we make sure that sales has reviewed everything on the job that would be necessary to make sure that we're successful in the customer's eyes, because the customer is defining what success is going to look like, and I need to be able to tell the shop floor when they manufacture these parts what success looks like. From there, I take the product design and start to use a 3D modeling software called TopSolid to create the geometry outside of the part that will make the inverse of the part. As a mold designer, my job is finished when the prints are printed out and highlighted and given to the processor. From then on, they will be scheduling the shop floor to make those components. I will still be involved through project management activities, but the mold design aspect is finished.